Hey, what up guys? This is Jimbo from shop Tittyfuck Customs and Fabrication. You know us, we do shitty work. I'm gonna show you today how to fix some of this rust, alright? This is some sort of an old truck that somebody brought to us because our name was cool. Now you need to get you some tape, masking tape, and what we're gonna do is, we're gonna go ahead and put it right over the top of that rust. Just like that. Got that curve matches perfect. That's years of practice. Don't expect to do that the first time you do this. You know, this takes some time. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna roll it over. Perfect again. Like I said, I got skills. Been doing this a while, boys. Okay, now, boom, the rust is gone. But here at Shitball Tittyfuck Customs, we go the extra step. We want that patina look. We're gonna get us some primer, right? We're gonna just kind of shoot it, kind of like that. Give it one of those, maybe one of these over here. Now, what you do to make sure it's fixed is you step really far away. Shit. I don't see no rust, all right? Now we do that every day for about $1,300. Shitbag Tittyfuck Customs. Love you guys. Bye.